Welcome back to my channel. So my name is Renelle. The video that we're going to be doing today is going to be a Boxy charm unboxing. As you can see, I've already opened the box and everything. So I do know what I've got because I just went ahead and took everything out of the box. That way it would just be a whole lot easier and stuff like that since I just did my own nails. So we're just going to go ahead and get started. Just ignore my makeup. I have had this makeup on since around 5:30, 6 o'clock this morning. So I've had it on and it's 9 o'clock now at night when I'm filming. So yeah, it's been on. It's been on all day. Okay, so we are going to go ahead and get into it. So they did include a pamphlet like they normally do. And this does tell you what you bought and how much it is. So I really do enjoy that. Now the theme of this month was the Go Digger. So kind of like it's a play on Go Digger, but it's Go Digger. So we'll go ahead and get into it. So the first thing that I see when I reach into the box is the Cover FX glitter drops, which looks like this. These are in the color Nova. Just go ahead and pull it out. Okay. So here's what the bottle looks like. It is gold, so the theme of this month's box, I'm assuming, is gold. So this is what it looks like right here. It's really super pretty. It does have a drop top, which is nice. If I'm not mistaken, I think someone said that this was limited edition. It does say shake well before use. So let's go ahead and open it. Just go ahead and get this stuff out of the way. So if my background does look a little bit different, it's because I am scooted further back than I normally am when I do my tutorials and stuff. I kind of wanted to give you a more impression of my makeup and stuff like that, of my background or my backdrops, however you want to say it, because I do have a lot of stuff over here. And I'm pointing the wrong way, apparently. So here's like a sign, my candles, some posters and stuff like that. This sign, I will have to say before I get into this, I did order this sign and I have another one also. This is mine and my husband's initials. And it also says established 2004 J&B because his name is Jason and my first name is Bobby. I just use my middle name and stuff like that. And then it says 12/13/2004. That is the day that we actually started dating. Was the 13th of December 2004. So this is 2018, so about 14 years ago. So I went ahead and had this sign made and another sign made and stuff like that. And it was from a girl I work with. Her name is Nellie. It's a 31 order that I ordered that from. So yeah, I love that sign. I absolutely love that sign. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get back to the Boxy charm and stuff. So this is what it looks like. So as you can tell, it is super, super pretty. I mean, if you just look at it and stuff like that, it's really stunning. Now, I do have some of Cover FX's makeup, and I do like what I have. I don't have much of it, but I do like what I have. So this right here, it says this, no, this is coming directly from this. It says these ultra concentrated drops of multi-dimensional glitter create a high impact reflective finish that wows. This multi-use glitter can be used alone, under or over makeup, or mixed into your foundation or moisturizer for incredibly luxe glitter effect on the body and face. And this does retail for $44. So we're going to see how much this box is worth. Now I know that they sent me an email out stating that I was supposed to get like the makeup cleaning remover, I think, for the brushes, but I ended up not getting that. Instead they sent me something else that I'll show you here in just a second. Okay, so the next item that we received, or that I got, is the Ace Beauty Grandiose Palette. I think that's how you say it. Again, I'm not 100% certain. So I already had him take out all the plastic and stuff like that. That way it's just easier for me to show you all what we got. So this is what the palette looks like. It does not have a mirror, as you can tell. This is what it looks like. I guess I could have it like this since it doesn't have a mirror. You have jasmine, clove, myrtle, cinnamon, patchouli, rose, poppy, and primrose. This is what these look like right here. So as you can tell, they're super pretty. So as you can tell, these are super, super pretty, and I'm really excited to use this. One of the girls I work with that sits beside me, she actually went ahead and used the one that she had. And I don't know what colors that she had in her eyes or on her eyes or anything like that, but it looked like clove, maybe some cinnamon, maybe some poppy, or rose. Because she said that she used like 6 eyeshadows. She didn't specifically say which one she used, but I did kind of get like an idea that this color, cinnamon, I'm pretty sure she used that, and clove in it as well, which is right here. So I'm pretty sure because she did kind of have like an orange eye going on it, and I really thought that was really pretty. So the handles, oh wow. Okay, so I'm going to try to show you these. Look at this. Can you tell how pretty these are? Like, they actually have gold. They're shimmery and stuff like that. So they're super, super pretty. There we go. Now, they don't have name. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, they do. So this is the Luxie mini taper. I can't see. I don't have my glasses with me. They're in the living room. I'm in my makeup room. So this is the Luxie 121, I think, mini taper brush, which looks like this. So let me put them to the side. So it does look like this right here, if you can tell. Ignore that. That was a pumpkin roll that I had right on my head. So it's really pretty. It's really fluffy too. Okay, and the next one that we have is the Luxie 131 mini angled brush. So as you can tell right here, it does have an angle. So it does start off kind of like this right here. These are really soft too. If I'm not mistaken, these are okay, so I'll read you what they're supposed to do here in just a second. So this is really pretty, y'all. I'm absolutely loving these brushes. These are so stunning. Okay, so this is another brush. This is a Luxie 111 mini flat angled. How is that? Not sure how they got flat angled. Okay, and this brush is the Luxie 141 mini round. As you can tell, it does have a round tip top right there. Okay, this is not working, Bobby. There we go. So that's what that looks like. Okay, so what it says about these brushes is it says that add a little sparkle to your brush collection with this limited edition Boxy Charm collaboration. So these are limited edition as well. It says the Luxie Luminous Eye Set features 4 synthetic eye brushes exclusively wrapped for Boxy Charm. Now it does say that the Lux 141. 141. Bella, what are you doing? My dog over there chewing on something she shouldn't be chewing on. So this is the one. This is the mini round one. So this is the 141. It says that this is perfect for smudging or smoking out your lower lash line, while the Luxie 121 see if I can find it. This is good. Well, this one here is good for effortlessly blending your crease color. The mini flat angle brush lets you blend out harsh lines or pack on cream products to your lid. And the Luxie 131 mini angled brush can add a pop of color to your brow bone, precisely place color into your crease. So the way they're talking, you can actually do a whole look with these. We're going to find out. Now, all 4 of these brushes are worth $21. So we had the glitter drops, which was 44. The brushes, which was 21. And then the eyeshadow palette was $25. So that's up to $90 already. Okay, so the second thing that I received in my box was this pair of lashes, which is the Lashaholic Luxury Lashes. These are in the style Insta Glam. Here is what the box looks like. I'm really digging this month's box, y'all. I'm loving it. So this is what this looks like. As you can tell, they're kind of long and fluttery. They feel, let me see if I can feel here. They feel incredibly soft. And I really like how these are fanned out and stuff like that. They kind of look three-dimensional in my opinion. So these are from Lashaholic. These are $15. It says to elevate your eye look with your new Lashaholic lashes. These 100% vegan falsies, so these are cruelty free. That's good. So those lashes are $15. So that puts us at $105. Okay, so the very last item that I have, she wants to be patted on, is going to be this, oh, it's got a thing on it. I can't open it. Hey, baby. Okay, so I can't open this, I don't think. Okay, so this is the last item that I received. I finally opened it. It took me a few minutes, but I opened it. So this is the Long Lasting Intense Black Color. This is by Gentil Bleu. That's how I pronounce it. So this is what it looks like. It is very pretty. And again, it does have the limited edition kind of sparkles and gold and stuff like that. Okay. I have two cats right beside of me and another one in front of me. So yeah, I do have to say that I am really thrilled with what we got in this month's box. I'm very happy with it. I'm loving like the color scheme and stuff like that. It's very bright. It's just beautiful. So my favorite thing that I'm really excited about is probably going to be lashes, because I love Fox eyelashes, and these are just like super gorgeous. They're really pretty. So I will be using these in the upcoming Get Ready With Me. We're good. They are good. So yeah. So I'm just kind of curious, what did you all get in your boxes? Let me know. Leave a comment below or something like that, and if you haven't already, please do subscribe to my channel. It does help a lot, and I will see you all in my next video.